Want crystal clear video proof for every drive? Today, I'm revealing the top 5 best dash cams of 2025, with stunning 4K quality, night vision, and must-have safety features. Let's jump right in. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. KAWA D11 Dash Cam. The KAWA D11 is a dual dash cam system with 4K front and full HD rear recording, Wi-Fi, GPS, and Sony Starvis night vision. It uses AIISP technology for sharp, true-to-life footage in any lighting. Product reviews. Drivers love its clear nighttime video, easy app connectivity, and accurate GPS tracking for trip records. Pros. True 4K front plus full HD rear recording. Sony Starvis sensor for low light clarity. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi for easy sharing. Number 2. DDPAI Z60 Dash Cam. The DDPAI Z60 Pro offers 4K Ultra HD recording, Sony Starvis 2678 sensor, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, and ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, to help keep you safe on the road. Product reviews. Praised for fast wireless video transfer, ultra-sharp daytime clarity, and advanced safety alerts. Pros. 4K Ultra HD with Sony Starvis 2. 5 GHz Wi-Fi for faster downloads. ADAS safety features. Number 3. VIOFO A119 V3 Dash Cam. The VIOFO A119 V3 records in Quad HD 2560x 1600p with super night vision, parking mode, G-sensor, and an optional GPS module. Its rotating lens makes installation flexible. Product reviews. Users highlight its balanced video quality, discreet design, and reliable parking surveillance. Pros. Quad HD resolution, great night vision performance, parking mode, and optional GPS. Number 4. AZDOME M554K Dash Cam. The AZDOME M550 Pro features 4K resolution, built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, parking monitor, and rear camera support for full coverage. Product reviews. Praised for clear license plate capture, stable Wi-Fi connection, and solid build quality. Pros. Crisp 4K front recording, parking monitor function, dual camera support. Number 5. UHD 4K Dash Cam. This UHD 4K Dash Cam includes a 1080p rear camera, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and 24-hour parking monitoring. Great for continuous vehicle protection. Product reviews. Users love its affordable price for 4K quality, easy installation, and round-the-clock security. Pros. 4K front plus 1080p rear, 24-hour parking monitoring, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. So whether you want ultimate 4K clarity, night vision safety, or full-time parking protection, these dash cams are the best picks for 2025. Which one would you trust on your car? Drop your choice in the comments. If you enjoyed this list, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss my weekly top tech reviews. Safe driving!